What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Uncommon Sense back at you again with another fragrance review. Like I've been telling you guys, I got so many different things coming your way. One thing is going to be a few more box service reviews that I've enlisted in and or signed up for, and I just want to share that with you guys so that you all are in the place of getting the best information. But we are getting into, of course, our review of Scentbox. Right, so Scentbox, monthly cologne subscription service. I have a referral link. When you guys sign up to the site, I believe you can use my referral link and you get a free cologne as well as me. So hey, let's get us some free colognes and continue to smell great. So one thing I like about Scentbox is you get a full atomizer per month. A lot of scent subscription services only send you this, and then you get this initially, and then each month you just get these. Scentbox sends you a full one each month. They send different colors. I have blue, I have this magenta, I have red, I have black, I think I have silver. And again, I've been with them roughly about a year, and I'm on the 2 cents per month plan. Love it. It's one of the greatest things ever. I look forward to a monthly scent, something fresh, something clean. Well, depending on what I select, something fresh, something new. And it has scent calendars in your profile. So what you can definitely do is set it up each month. If you want different things, you can set it up so that way all of that comes monthly and you get the best of what's happening in the Scentbox. They have several subscriptions. One of them is a premium one, and that gives you more access to more premium scents. So check it out. Anyway, our review today is on Atelier Cologne Orange Sanguine. It debuted in 2010. The nose behind this one is going to be Ralph Schweiger. Now, I wore this one September 18th. Take that back. I wore this one September 19th at about 8 p.m. I was headed out in the park at Great America at nighttime. So the breakdown and notes of this one is blood orange and bitter orange in the top. The mids are jasmine and geranium. The base is tonka, sandalwood, and amber. Again, it's in this magenta case. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Get that to focus. Orange Sanguine. Now, what I like about this one, in my experience, what I had was, like I said, I was wearing this outside, and it was nighttime. It was a little cool and for fall, I guess you want to call it that. And one thing that I noticed is even in the cool breeze, the scent was really fresh and it was captivating. I really liked that. So natural orange. It kind of smells like a dreamsicle. If you've ever had like a good humid dreamsicle from the ice cream truck or from the grocery store, wherever you get your ice cream from, it really smelled really fresh, really clean and natural. That's something I really like about this what Atelier Cologne is doing. All their scents smell really natural. They don't have the synthetic vibes that some of the other colognes that I've experienced have. So when I first sprayed it on, it was something really sour smelling, like either lemon, and it must have been like the bitter orange. So it kind of had that lemon or citron feel. And the dry down evolved into something really sweet and special. And I think that's the amber opening up. And it kind of smelled a little familiar to Tommy Bahama's Set Sail St. Bart's. Say that 5 times fast. So I did 5 sprays around the neck of the décolleté area. And again, with that, our first P, performance, it lasted for the evening for about 3.5, 4 hours. So in that arena, I'm going to rate it a 7. Because like I said, throughout the course of the night, I got on several rides. I was enjoying myself running from here to there. And I want to say, I'm trying to think. I think I got on everything that I could that night, other than Hercules. or Goliath, whoever it is. I didn't get on Goliath. I wanted to, didn't get on it. I also didn't get on Batman. Neither here nor there. So the second P, projection. The projection is moderate, but it's still pretty good. It projected for about 2 hours or so on my skin. So again, with no priming, no other moisturizer, none of that, I'm going to give it another 7. So the play, like I said, I wore it to Six Flags. And I got a few compliments. So a few people ahead of me, they were asking me about the ride I had just got off of, which was the Joker, and I was telling them that it was a good time. You know, I enjoyed it. And one of the young ladies that was in front of me was like, "You smell good." So again, I got a compliment. And then one of my friends who I don't see that often and happened to see them at Great America said, we embraced, and he was like, "Man, you smell good. What's that?" So I told him it was Atelier Cologne. He was like, "Never heard of it." Again, I hadn't heard much of Atelier Cologne either. So Scentbox definitely put me on to them, and I really enjoyed Orange Sanguine. Sanguine, orange, blood orange, whatever you want to call it. Whatever floats your boat. Now, the fourth P, price. Atelier Cologne is a little expensive. It's $100 for about 3.3 ounces of the Eau de Toilette concentration. And in that arena, I have to rate it a 5. I really think that's expensive for an Eau de Toilette cologne. And I don't know what else to say about that. So the reason for the season for this one, I would say early summer where it's moderate temperatures. I would not wear it in like the high heat because I think it'll burn off so quickly. It performed well in what was considered to be the fall. It was a little cooler, so it didn't burn off as quickly. So is this a copper drop? For me, honestly, it depends on where you are in your fragrance journey. If you're building up a collection, this one in the beginning may not be the best fit for your collection because you want to get the bulk and you want to see what you really like. However, if you're a more seasoned collector of fragrances, this may work for you. But for me, I will not be copying a full bottle of this one. I still have a little bit less than half. I've worn it a few times since September 19th. And like I said, I enjoy it. It always smells good. It always puts me in a good mood. And like I said, 5 sprays around the neck. Let me go ahead and give it a little blast here. 2. What it smells like is a clementine peel. Like when you first break the skin off of a cutie, it smells like that sour, bitter scent that's in the first initial opening. I enjoy because it has a sweet backing, and that must be the amber. I love it. It smells so clean and fresh. It smells really like orange zest. I really like this one. So overall, if I had to rate this one across the board, I'd say a solid 7. That's all I can really think of. It's really, it's cool. You know, it's not a gotta have for me. But I wanted to definitely review, share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts on Orange Sanguine Atelier Cologne. If you have it, let me know what you think. Let me know your experience wearing it. And again, stay tuned for the outfit of the day. I have an outfit that I put together for the event that I went to, and the cologne, the scent, is of course a accessory to the outfit. Like I told you guys before, I will be doing many more outfits of the day, as well as styling and designing. So again, I want to share that with you guys as well, because hey, I feel like I have great taste and I want you guys to enjoy that. So as you can see, my workroom is evolving. That's one of my designs back there. And again, I have a look board that I'll be sharing with you guys soon as I continue to develop more looks, styling wise, accessorizing, and actually designing apparel. Like I'm designing for men, especially men that are of a certain size. So fellas, check me out. Soon to come, 3D designs. All right, y'all. Again, it's been your boy Uncommon Scentz. Back at you again with another fragrance review. Love you guys. Talk soon.